Good morning students, welcome back to our e-learning class. In previous class we were discussing the question banks or the MCQs. Okay, so that only we will continue in today's class also. Come to page number 29, question bank 2. In question bank 2, the fill in the blanks. Okay, so before that I want to revise one more the international place value chart and the Indian place value chart. As we know that it is starting from Indian place values is starting from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then 10 crore. It is exceeding like that. Whereas the international form, it is like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and then 100 million. Okay. So this is the international and Indian place value chart. Now come to question number 1 of question bank 2. The question is, the Indian and the international system of numeration follow the same pattern up to the dash place. Now see, up to which place they are following the same pattern. Ones, ones, tens, tens, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. After that here it is 100,000. That means only up to 10,000 it is following the same place. So you will write 10,000. In the blank you will write 10,000. Okay. Now next one is 100 million is equals to dash crore. Now this 100 million is equals to 10 crore. Okay. In international it is 100 million and in Indian it is 10 crore. Similarly 1 million. So 1 million it is equals to 10 lakh. 1 million it is equals to 10 lakh. Okay. Now turn the page, come to number D. Question number D is 1 crore is equals to dash million. Same thing, 1 crore is equals to 10 million. Okay, 1 crore is equals to 10 million. So in the blank you will write 10 million. Next one is the place value of dash is always the same as its face value. Means the place value of dash, it is same as its face value. This we have done in the MCQs also. So it is 0. 0 it has the same face as well as place value. Then number F, there are dash zeros in 30 million. In 30 million, that means here when you will write here 3, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 zeros. Okay. So 7 zeros in 30 million. Next question is, there are dash zeros in 8 crore. If you are writing here crore, so 8 it will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Same 7 zeros. Okay. So there are 7 zeros in 8 crores. Next is, when 1 is added to a greater given number, we get the dash of the given number. When you add 1 to the given number, you are getting the successor. So answer will be successor. And when you are subtracting, that it is predecessor. Next one, the predecessor of, it is given, the predecessor of, this is number I, 8, 6, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. You have to write the predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. When you will subtract 1, you will get 9, 9, 9, 9, 2, 5 and 8. So this is the, sorry, this will be 6, not 5. So this is the predecessor you are getting. Similarly, number J, you have to find the successor. It is given 609, then when you will add 1 with this, it will be this one. Okay. Then number K, again successor and predecessor. It is given 141,000. Okay, you have to find the predecessor, that means minus 1. It will be 999 and then 0, 4 and 1. Next is number L. L you have to find the successor. The number is given 7998999 plus 1, 10, 9, then again 9, 9 and 7. So this is the answer for number L. Number M, in this much, in this number 2 is in the dash place. Count ones, tens, like this you will count and you will get the 2 is in the crores place. So you will write crore, and 7 is in the lakhs place. So you will write lakhs. Okay. Next one, the number is this much and you have to write the place value of 7. So 7 is in the, this you will write according to the international value. Before M you have written in the Indian form, so N you will write according to the international. So 7 is in the 10 millions place. Similarly 5 is in the 100,000s place. Okay. So today up to this only. We will revise again the next question in the next class. Okay. So thank you all of you and practice the MCQs. Okay. Bye all of you.